guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to get this look with Capricorn. It was inspired by Kimberly Margarita. She's amazing. If you don't know her, you should look her up. And here we go. So I had a bit of trouble with my camera, but I did put on my foundation, which is in the color Amber by Mascara with the 30-second hack brush, and I did add a little bit of camouflage, liquid camouflage by Catrice under my eyes. So I'm going in and contouring with the shade Ash and contouring my nose, warming the face up a bit before we go in and start drawing our mapped out shapes. Okay, so I took a white eyeliner pencil and just started mapping out the shapes. I did have her kind of picture near me to reference back, and it's not exact, it's just for inspiration, but I did like the shapes that she had going on. Capricorns are very planned people, so I thought these hard lines would be super cool for it. You have to keep sharpening pencils unless you get a really sharp one, a hard formula. I think I'm just using one by Essence. I actually had to switch to a lip liner because the pencil was so soft for like my under eyes. I needed something a little harder. And then I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I used her palette for most of this look. She had a lot of great earth tones in it. Capricorn is an earth sign, so I wanted to change up the colors to be very earthy. And I kind of used her main colors, Hunts, and the other colors are kind of surrounding that area on her palette. I did go in a little bit with the BH Cosmetics Festival palette, just the gold and the green that are in there for some of these other shapes. But I actually end up going over the green that I used a little bit later with some black sparkles because I wanted to earth it up even more. Then I used the shade Enchanted for those darker kind of green shapes that I have going on, and then I end up going again in with Abyss to give them more dimension later. To make all of my shapes, I used the Mascara Beauty Multitasker for most of these. It worked really well. The point was really nice, and my husband came in for a little bit. I had a lot of troubles with my camera this time, so some of my steps were not recorded. You can see on my eyelids, I ended up putting a little bit of some shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette just on my eyelids a little bit. I focused Hunts more in the inner corners of my eyelid. Going back through and giving some dimension to these shapes, making a couple of the edges really sharp and a little bit darker. Here I am using the liquid catsuit to make my eyebrows a little bit red in the front. I kind of forget the name. I will look it up for you and put it in the description box. And I used a lip shade from Essence. Now I'm going in through and putting some glitter glue by NYX on some of the shapes, not all of them, but some of them, and I'm going to be adding some of their like black glitter to some of the shapes. And I just went through with a Essence liner. I really like this liner. A good trick so that you don't get like your nail imprint in your eyelid is to use your beauty blender to kind of hold down your eyelid. It won't smudge your makeup or anything. And I just applied some lashes with my duo glue. Now lashes on, I did use the cut ends to glue 2 to my bottom lashes, and then I used the Bella Cream bronzer. I can't speak. Bella Cream bronzer to warm up my cheeks. Used a NYX lip pencil to just go around my edges. And this Anastasia glow kit that I found at Marshall's of all places was super nice. I highlighted my collarbone a little bit, added some more Bella Cream bronzer on my under chin, and just kind of made it all look very sparkly. I did go in and highlight my nose and my face areas, the high points of my face, and that's pretty much it. The look is done. Let me know if you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be doing the rest of the zodiac signs, all inspired by Kimberly Margarita. Thanks for watching.